What's up guys, this is Isaac from Krietz Customs. We have a new 2018 Ford F-250 Super Duty sitting right behind me. This one is unlimited, so you're just going to have your massaging seats, heated and cooled seats, navigation, and many other features. Plus what we just got done doing to this truck. So why don't we go ahead and get started. I really like the look of the truck because it is a very clean looking truck. A lot of the features that we added, like the wheels and fender flares, are going to match the truck already. So we have the gloss black is going to match the paint of the truck, and the millings on the wheel and the rivets on the fender flares are going to match your decalings. So when we tie all those together, it's going to give you a nice uniform clean look. To go ahead and get started on the build though, our lift kit is going to be a 3.5-inch Readylift suspension lift kit. Readylift is a quality brand, so you know you're going to get a good product with this build. The wheel is going to be a 22x12 fuel Contra. It has a -44 offset, so that's going to push your wheel out from your fender a decent amount. It's probably going to be out for about 2 or 3 inches. And also, even with the fender flares being on here, you're going to have your wheel sticking out probably about a 1/2 inch. The finish is gloss black and milled, like I said, with your millings going to be on the outside of the spokes and on your rivets, and also on the fuel. Fuel's going to be etched into the side as well. The tire is going to be a 35-1250R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. The Ridge Grappler is probably going to be the best tire for this truck. It's going to be aggressive enough to give it a nice edgy look, but it's also not going to be too aggressive, detracting from the clean look of this truck. So overall, if you guys like this truck, find it on our website at KrietzAuto.com, or just go ahead and give us a call to get started. Or if you want to build your truck like this, send us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs, and we can't wait to get you started.